You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish in Spanish and how you can say it in English. Spanish pronunciation, Spanish from Spain, is pronounced as despacito. It means very slowly. Despacito. In central Spain, the C is pronounced like TH, despacito. But in other parts of Spain or in South America, Latin America, Mexico, despacito. Like the famous song by, Fonzie? Despacito. Despacito is the English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.